Hi friends, day number 1 into my not so severe migraine, and I'm going to run you through today what is the best cure for migraine related nausea. And believe me, the answer is so simple. It's eating. And why am I saying this? Because I suffered of extreme severe morning sickness during my twin pregnancy. So the second month of my twin pregnancy, I was so severe morning sick that I basically spent the entire month just lying in bed and having even a hard time to drink water. So I had occasional trips to the hospital to actually get rehydrated. And nothing helped. All the remedies that suggest to help didn't work out. So stay with me, and I'm teaching you a beautiful homemade salad that includes all the important minerals you need. And number 1 mineral, and you can find it also as in little pop tablets, is magnesium. So when you get up in the morning, the first thing you actually want to do when you are suffering of migraines, take 3 of those. They're from Germany, they call Schüsslersalze, and let it dissolve on your tongue. And I'm sure you can find related products somewhere. And if you don't want to do it this way, you can make your own electrolytes, like I showed in a different video. And you just pop 3 in here, so that's calcium. Some other thing I highly recommend for a little bit of nausea relief, just take a tiny bit of mint just in between your eyebrows. Yeah, or if you don't like the oil, you can use fresh mint and just smell on it. So the fresh mint instantly helps you to release a little bit this super heavy feeling of nausea. Okay, so let's start. Let's see which vegetables and which carbohydrates help you actually to overcome a little bit that nausea. So we're gonna start. I got some beautiful spinach. So we're just gonna cut the spinach. You don't need a lot. Right now I have not such sharp knives because I have young kids around the house. Add a little bit of coconut oil. Give it a slightly toss, it can stand here. And these are your leafy greens. Then for rehydration, just pop some pieces of watermelon. So I leave the seeds inside. If you don't like them, you can take them out. And I might look normal, but I'm feeling actually terrible. Such weird weather. It was supposed to rain, so the pressure in the air builds up, and then it started being all moisture and hot, so I'm really not feeling well. Then, as I said, ginger is always recommended, so pop in some ginger. Just be aware that if you have a very sensitive stomach, maybe take half of the amount. This is 1 teaspoon. And then let's just cut in, for the flavor, some mint. Pieces of here, and that smells so lovely. Then we're gonna grab some blueberries. Put some blueberries in here. What else do we have? Not to forget vitamin C. So let's just take a full, actually the half one is enough. Half lime. Vitamin C, and then maybe some vitamin E, sesame seeds, and what else do we need? And really important, and if you don't have time to make a salad, this is the answer, especially when you suffer of that dual sort of really annoying headache and having a little bit aura and the nausea, and it's just miserable. So a good thing is just to grab a handful of almonds and just eat them like this. We're gonna put it on top of our salad, and because I'm craving a lot of food, so you want to fill yourself up with some good carbohydrates. So these are gluten-free rolled oats. We put some in here. And when you crave, start eating, eat away, because it really will kill the nausea. So let's just give this a nice toss. We let this stand here, and while this is blending in, I'm taking you to my living room, and I'm gonna show you what you can do to relieve a little bit of migraine pain. So you don't want to go into handstands and headstands, and even shoulder stand is not recommended. So I'm just gonna show you what to do.